Are you ready for the bull market? Because it's here, ladies and gentlemen. BTC has broken 70,000. We're fairly solidly above it, and I don't think we stop. I think we keep going. So let's get right to it. Welcome to Altcoin Buzz Trading. I am Randy. Today we're going to talk about quite a few coins. I'm not sure where today's journey is going to take us. We have a lot that we have looked at if you kind of look behind my head over here, and ones that we've been recently looking at. So we're going to take a look at Avax, Solana, Injective, KCS, maybe a couple others. We will see. But this has been a very thick market rally, and we did pause at the 70,000 level, but we're now through it. And I think that's a really good thing. BTC needs a little bit more volume. Maybe we'll get it, maybe we won't. But we have been fairly good the past couple of days. My volume aggregation tool is still looking really good. RSI still at some pretty extended levels, which is fine. That's not going to kill a rally. The RSI is usually the victim in these circumstances. It isn't the canary in the coal mine, if you will, of an impending disaster. Not when we're really bullish. So, but we are, and we could be bullish up to 75,000. I've had measured moves up to that level, and we could exceed whatever. We're an all-time high, so anything is game. This is where you got to be on point and paying attention. Okay, that's really the whole point of technical analysis and understanding price action is when you don't have a guidepost. What do you do? And right now we just go with price action. So price action is good, not amazing, but good. And Bitcoin can do really good things on good, and good can turn into amazing. That's another thing that it can do. So keep that in mind. But we are on all-time highs. This is not a time to be afraid. This is not a time to be afraid. This is a time to be bullish. It's time to be looking to acquire things. And look at across the chart here. Only a couple of red names. Nothing really too dramatic. And even Gala Games just came off of a massive move the past couple of days. So there you go. Even your red stuff is bullish. All right, BTC looking good, going up. Should stay that way for the foreseeable future. We can always have big reversals. The stock market opens here in about 11 minutes. Maybe that'll cause something. Maybe it'll bring in more buying pressure. You never know. All right, next up, we're going to take a look at Avax, which is just getting through this 43.75 after being in a very large base for a very long time. You could see $100 Avax if this market stays as bullish as it looks right now. So don't give up on names. Don't give up on Avax. Don't forget these coins that have been quiet for a long time. That is a huge mistake that everybody makes. You get so excited in the nears and in the what's the ones we just talked about, galas. You get so excited about those, you forget about these ones that are gonna do amazing. Solana working its way up. Not really quite the leader it once was, but it's going to come back and surprise you as well. Injective still waiting on this one. That's fine. 44,962. Maybe it'll get going. Maybe it'll be one of the last ones this cycle around. Just don't forget about it. And then our best friend KCS with some amazing price action, as it usually does, holding up these trend lines over the weekend and just doing good things. Let's zoom out on this just so you guys remember how good this coin has been, how stable this has been. It's been a very good acting coin. I'm just going to go down this list. I don't remember every coin and everything it's doing, but we're going to go. This is pretty much every coin we talked about. I really don't delete coins. I may have deleted one or two, but I don't remember last time I did that. So Fetch AI, part of the AI thing, volume declining in a really nice manner here, and the chart is generally going sideways, so you can't forget about this name either. WLD had a good pop the other day, consolidating, probably will bounce back again, also respecting this trend line on the 2 hour. That's interesting. Near Protocol. Near's been doing really good, just stair-stepping its way higher, and good action today as well. We just mentioned Gala consolidating after a massive move over the weekend. Cardano doing okay, needs to do a little better, is bouncing off the 21-day moving average, will move when it wants to, just like last time. It just kind of moved and did a bunch of random stuff. Not really the best coin, not like it used to be. Once a coin goes live, and keep in mind Cardano's network went live when it was at its all-time high. That's why it's no longer at its all-time high, because it's now reality. It's no longer a fantasy. I'm not going to go through all these, make the video too long. They only want me to have videos X amount of minutes. So, but Ronin doing really good up here. Newer token, been on a very good tear. 3586 was our last level on Ronin, and we broke it the other day, came back down, tested it, and then bounced off again. Guys, this is a bull market. This is what you've been waiting for. So don't sleep on this. Make sure you have good stop losses, know where your risk is going to be capped at, but at the same time, you've got to be involved. This is where your money is made. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get out of here. You guys have a good day. Stay safe out there. And yeah, buy good stuff. Hold it for a while. If BTC stays strong, Try not to change your mind too often. You'll get hurt. You got to stay consistent. Really got to stay consistent. Make sure what you're buying because you like the technical setup of it. Maybe it's a good layer one. Maybe it's in with the theme of the market. Maybe it's KCS, which is just behaving amazingly. Buy something for a good reason. Don't just buy it randomly. You'll have success. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow on Altcoin Buzz Trading. Bye-bye.